In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was formless and empty, and darkness was over the surface of the deep. The Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. God separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. Thus passed the first day. God said, "Let there be vault between the waters to separate water from water." God made the vault and separated the water under the vault from the water above it. God called the vault sky. Thus passed the second day. God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered to one place, and let dry ground appear." God called the dry ground land, and the gathered waters he called seas. God said, "Let the land produce vegetation, seed-bearing plants, and trees on the land that bear fruit with seed in it." The land produced vegetation, plants bearing seed, and trees bearing fruit with seed in it. Thus passed the third day. God said, "Let there be lights in the vault of the sky to separate the day from the night, and let them serve as signs to mark sacred times, days and years." God made two great lights, the greater light to govern the day and the lesser light to govern the night. He also made the stars. Thus passed the fourth day. God said, "Let the water teem with living creatures, and let birds fly above the earth across the vault of the sky." God created the great creatures of the sea and every living thing with which the water teems, that moves about in it, and every winged bird. Thus passed the fifth day. God said, "Let the land produce living creatures, the livestock, the creatures that move along the ground, and the wild animals." God made the wild animals, the livestock, and the creatures that move along the ground. God said, "Let us make mankind in our image, in our likeness, so that they may rule over the fish in the sea, the birds in the sky, the livestock, the wild animals, and the creatures that move along the ground." God created mankind in his own image. In the image of God, he created male and female. God blessed them and said to them, "Be fruitful and increase in number. Fill the earth and subdue it." Thus passed the sixth day. Thus the heavens and the earth were completed in all their vast array.